Introducing our Artificial Living Wall Panels by NatraHedge. Our living walls are ideal for adding a decorative and lush greenery wall to any residential or commercial space. Display them throughout your patio, restaurant, hotels, and office buildings. Available in 3 beautiful leaf styles and constructed with a thick, durable yet malleable backing grid. Each box comes with 5 unique panels and formed with overlapping foliage for beautiful, seamless coverage. Each roll measures 20 by 40 inches and covers 28 square feet, crafted with premium virgin raw materials and formed using our proprietary RealLeaf technology, making them the most realistic foliage on the market. They are UV rated for safe use in outdoor weather and offer maintenance-free year-round greenery. With its snap-to-lock feature, our premium panels can effortlessly be combined to cover any size surface. They can also be bent or cut to fit any shape or contour. Enhance the atmosphere of your area with our stylish, eco-friendly living wall panels by NatraHedge. For more info, please visit us online at www.FenceScreen.com.